Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here as usual. So for today's painting I will be trying the Dutch method. I'll be using some color shift aqua flash. I've got some artist Loft metallic lemon yellow. Here I'll be using some primary magenta. It's Amsterdam, from Amsterdam, and another color shift here, a purple flash. So I'm excited. I hope it comes out especially bright. That's what I'll be looking for this time. So here goes.